Your wife came to the station to report you that you snore every night. She said you snore.
God have mercy upon us.
Does not sleep. Your children does not sleep, including your neighbors. What do you have to say about it, Mr. Obiakpo?
Somebody cannot snore in peace in his house again. Huh? So because I dey sleep at the snore, you go call police for me. You go and report me to police station. Eh? Ngwanu, me, Obiakpo. You go report me to police woman. Ngwa police woman,